Today we're checking out the latest drops from Thor MX. This is the Launchmode Kit, performance built, race ready. Let's dive in and take a look. Right out the gate, you notice just how lightweight this jersey feels. Don't let that fool you. It's designed to take a beating lap after lap with abrasion tolerant materials and the stretch in the right places. I mean, check out these vent zones. Unlike the sport mode, which is made out of a lot lighter material, this one has a lot more perforations in it to maximize airflow. It's really all about airflow with this really well-built performance-based material. Now let's move on to the pants. These come pre-curved and are built specifically for the attack position, which you'll notice the moment you throw your leg over the bike. Same focus on durability where it matters, reinforced panels in high wear areas, but still super flexible where you need the movement. Oh, and don't forget the gloves. The gloves are made out of extremely strong material, just like the jersey is, but they're still super flexible. They fit really nice, and one of the best details I like on the Launchmode gloves in comparison to some other ones is the strap is made out of rubber, and that Velcro just is not moving, which makes me feel like these are going to last a long time. So if you're looking to step up your kit this season, whether you're racing or you just like to enjoy the track on the weekends, we highly recommend you check out the Launchmode Kit from Thor MX. You can get everything you see here at DennisKirk.com, plus a lot more colorways that we have available online. Check them out today.